Kei aku whanaunga katoa tēnei he nui tēnā koutou katoa. I want to extend my aroha and thoughts to the whānau Bell today, to Anthony's whānau, to his partner and to his children. He nui rawa te aroha ki a koutou at this time. Just a quick update, as we have moved into level 3 for much of the rohe as of midnight last night. We're working with agencies and with providers to support the ramping up of services to our people within the rohe. We're supporting the police efforts in checkpoints in Mōkau, the 8 Mile turn-off and at the northern entry point into our rohe. We believe it's extremely important that travel is essential travel only, and so we fully support and we fully endorse the efforts of the police to manage travel across our rohe at this time. We're also working very closely with the DHB. In the coming 48 hours we're going to get some information out to you around mobile vaccination clinics that are going to be moving all the way through our rohe. These are going to be community-based, marae-based opportunities for us throughout the rohe to get ourselves vaccinated. I'm vaccinated, I'm fully vaccinated, my whānau is vaccinated, my children are getting themselves vaccinated, and I just want to encourage those of you that have any questions around vaccination, please do seek advice and find out the information that you need to get to make this decision. But I want to encourage you to please consider getting yourselves vaccinated and keeping yourself and your whānau safe. There's going to be further updates coming from us as we start to ramp up services over the coming days. Once again, the key message to all of you, please look after yourselves. Take care of yourselves, take care of those people who are close to you. Husbands, partners, look after your partners and your wives, and look after your children. Let's take care of each other, let's take care of ourselves. I'll be in touch with you again soon. Kia ora taka.